Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about the best website from where you can learn a particular skill, a premium skills. So guys, in today's video, I will teach you about the automation and scripting skill. This is a very premium skill. You can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, Guru.com. So guys, let's started our video. But as you know, our video format is that first of all, we will go to fiverr.com and let's check the demand and the competition of the skill, and then we will go towards our website from where we can learn this skill. So guys, let's go to fiverr.com. In case you don't know about fiverr.com, fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing marketplaces from where you can sell your services online and people can buy it. So here I write automation and scripting. So as you can see, there is 1530 services available. Means this is a low competition. Automation is of different types. I will write Python scripts or web automation and scraping. Okay, I open this. I will create Python bots. Okay, okay. I opened 3 gigs and let's check these gigs one by one. So I will check the first gig, which is from Zishan Ayub from Pakistan, and 777 orders completed. Nice. He has only one package, which is of $50. Python scripts of web automation and data scraping, and this is just basic. When you contact with him, he he charges according to your projects. So that's good. You can also check out his gig description and like this gig and his descriptions, and also know about his you can also check out his profile. So guys, that's it for this gig. Let's move towards our next gig, which is from Abdilia A from Morocco, and in basic package, simple structured automation scrapping project, sorry. And after that, $30 medium structure automation scrapping project with a thorough report and code comments. Okay. In premium, he charged $50. Okay. Advanced and complex scrapping bots, automation, and brief report for explanation of workflow. Okay. After that, you can also check out his gig description. And guys, do not copy anyone's. If you learn any skill and you copy other freelancers gig description, then Fiverr will de-rank. He will never rank your gig. So let try to take an idea and write your gig description in your own word. You can also use chat GPT for it. Okay. I close this one, and the last one is from Hussein. He's from Pakistan, and he charged $5. Get basic Python web scraping automation and debugging services for your project. He completed $20, but this is just basic. When you contact him, he will charge more according to your project. I will do web scraping automation, debugging, and write scripts in Python. Okay. Get basic Python web scraping automation debugging service for a project. Okay, let's about his gig. Web scraping, web automation, code debugging. Good, good. So, guys, these are the three best gigs in which freelancers are providing automation and scripting service. And let's move towards our websites from where we can learn these skills. So, the first website is the bashacademy.com, and the link is guide.bash.academy, a quality driven guide through the shell's many features, and you can learn chapters, inspections, commands, and arguments. You can learn automation and scripting in Bash. Bash means like terminal command prompt where you can give commands and computer will perform according to it. So this is a good website. You can learn from here. The second website is from Microsoft official website, Introduction to PowerShell, and you can also learn from here. These are the complete, course for beginners, and once you complete it, then go towards next courses. So guys, this is the second website. I close this. Let's move toward last website, which is called codeacademy.com. Learn Python 3. basically when we write this and we see that's mostly gigs are in which freelancers providing automation and scripting service using the language Python. So you must have to learn Python for this. So write here this website codeacademy.com uh, give a brief course on Python 3 in which they taught you about basic of Python 3, one of the most powerful, versatile, and in demanding programming languages today. This is for beginners level, approximate 25 hours of course, and you can learn from there. So, guys, these are the three best websites from where you can learn the skill. This skill is very premium skill. I recommend you to go for this skill if you are interested in this. And that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and learn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.